there, everyone. Today we're bringing you some very exciting news that we've been eagerly waiting to share. We're embarking on a new chapter of our YouTube journey, and we can't wait to share this exciting transformation with you. You may have already noticed, but we've recently made some changes to our YouTube channel. We are bidding farewell to our old YouTube channel name, which used to be KI5SIJ, all things ham radio, batteries, and more, so that we can embrace a new YouTube identity as Tech Dad Adventures. Wondering why the change? Well, after much careful consideration, we realized that it's time to realign our energy, our focus, and our efforts regarding a subject matter that we know best, which is technology. My fascination with technology and electronics began whenever I was younger at the age of 12 or 13 years old. Over the past 20 plus years, I've had the privilege of working in a diverse technology sector, ranging from oil and gas to medical information systems and now even in aerospace. Along the way, I have amassed countless stories, experienced career growth, and encountered a few unexpected things. Moving forward, we're stepping into a new era of content. Expect stories regarding my personal career journey, how-to guides, exciting DIY projects, in-depth product reviews, thoughtful recommendations, and the latest in technology news. We'll also be delving into the world of parenting in today's technology-advanced age. In our modern internet-connected world, families now face very unique challenges. We're here to discuss some of those challenges and provide guidance on how to keep your loved ones safe while online. Our content is designed to cater to anyone who loves technology, whether you're a home or a business computer user, a tech-savvy college student, or even a technology professional. The all-new Tech Dad Adventures YouTube channel is a hub for all things technology related, ranging from computers and networking to cybersecurity, best practices, software and website development, product reviews, and so much more. To our existing subscribers who have been with us from the start, don't worry, we'll continue exploring the exciting overlap between technology and our hobbies. This means that we'll continue to cover topics like ham radio, also known as amateur radio. We'll even continue to provide content regarding open source hardware projects, including Raspberry Pis and so much more. If you're not already a member, right now is a great time to click that subscribe button below. Thanks for joining us as we continue on our new adventure. Please stay tuned for technology insights, memorable stories, and a lot of fun. See you soon on Tech Dad Adventures.